Are you looking to harness the power of ChatGPT and make it write like your unique style? Then this video is what you need. In this video, we will see 5 easy steps by the entrepreneur and author Jodie to train ChatGPT to write like you. You will learn to make ChatGPT write content that reflects your voice, tone, and writing expertise. Imagine the possibilities. Effortlessly generating articles, social media posts, or even personalized letters, all in your distinctive style. But before that, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to be updated. So let's dive right in and discover the 5 easy steps to train ChatGPT and unlock its full potential as your writing companion. Number 1. Set the scene for your LLM. LLM stands for Large Language Models. Share examples of your writing style by saying, "Go ahead," and continue providing more until you say finished, allowing ChatGPT to understand and save your writing style. Number 2. Add your writing. Copy and paste examples of your writing in the same format you're requesting, preferably at least 1000 words in total, covering different topics within your niche. ChatGPT will prompt you to add more with "Go ahead," and when you are done, type "finished" for the next step. Number 3. Name your style. Name your writing style as your initials, writing style, and ask ChatGPT to summarize it in bullet points, focusing on sentence structure, tone, and voice. Review and provide additional examples if needed. Once satisfied, move on to the next step. Number 4. Ask for what you want. Express gratitude by saying thanks and provide clear instructions for desired content type, format, purpose, and specific requirements while incorporating your identified writing style. Number 5. Ask for edits. Refine and edit the initial draft by requesting specific changes and providing additional details until satisfied with the results, repeating the process as needed. So this was all from Jodie. You can read her full article on this to learn further. The link to the article is given in the description. And if you like the video, do like, comment and share it. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and healthy. Allah Hafiz.